Welcome back to Harper's Chic. Today we're going to be making Korean sweet potato pancakes in two ways. One with gooey cheese and the other dipped in maple syrup. So, let's get started. I roasted these sweet potatoes for about 90 minutes at 400 degrees and they are super soft now. I'm just going to peel the skin. A big part of my diet is eating a lot of healthy snacks, and one of my favorite snacks are sweet potatoes because they're so high in fiber and they have a lot of minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins. So I really enjoy eating sweet potatoes all year round. Hot. They're a little bit hot, so if you want to wait until they're fully cooled, that's also very smart. Take a fork and just mash the sweet potatoes. We're gonna add mochiko flour to the sweet potato now. Next, we're going to add some salt. Now, this is the fun part. We're going to divide the batter so that half of it can be cheesy and the half could be cinnamon and maple syrup. We're going to add cinnamon to half of the batter. This one is ready. I'm gonna take the batter and split them into thirds. And then I'm gonna take 1/3 in my hands and form a ball. And then flatten it. And I'm gonna put cheese in the center. I think the trick is not to overstuff and be greedy. Close it up. And then form another ball. So cute. Next, the cinnamon one. Divide them into 3 balls as well. And we're ready to cook them. Add plenty of oil to the fry pan. Keep the fry pan at about medium-high heat. It's ready, let's fry them up. It's done. Now let's cook the cheese ones next. I'm not going to press these ones too much because they have a filling inside and I don't want it to explode. The sizes are like baby, mom and dad size, even though I wanted to make them even. Oh, part. They're done.
If you like this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Harper's Chic. Stay chic and healthy.